Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this breathtaking property for sale in Alta Badia. Check it out. Today we are in Val Badia in Trentino Alto Adige, which is one of the most exclusive ski destinations in the Dolomites valleys. The landscape of Alta Badia is gorgeous, with its wild nature and the view over the snowy peaks of the Dolomites. Oltre allo sci, questa zona è rinomata per i suoi mercatini di Natale, in particolare quello di Merano e quello di Bolzano. Right now we are on the road leading us towards the property. But before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit about the property. The property is 772 square meters, is divided in 4 apartments with a total of 10 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. It has an external surface of 300 square meters, a garage, and an outdoor parking. Ma ora, venite con me. From here we have a direct access to the property, but also to the garage that can fit 3 to 4 cars, above which we have an external parking area. This building has been recently and thoroughly renovated and divided into apartments, each accessible by elevator, which enters and opens up into the apartment. In fact, each owner has their own key, and by stairs. This apartment is roughly 160 square meters, and the building is a smart building. So each apartment has its own domotic system from which you can control the alarm and the heating. And right there is its own control. To my right is also the bathroom that serves the floor. This open space concept is divided in different areas. Here we have this cozy TV area with accent wall, which wallpaper is quite apropos because it shows all the main ski destinations worldwide. The TV area is retroilluminated by LED lighting, and here we have built-in storage space, which is always very useful in any house. Next to it is a lovely fireplace. Just think of coming home after skiing all day to a nice fire. I can think of nothing more cozy. Here we have a first access onto the external area, so let's go check it out. This apartment enjoys this lovely terrace, which is a multi-use space. You could put a variety of sitting areas or a dining table to enjoy al fresco meals during the summer months. From here, we have a beautiful view over the surroundings, but not just that. There's also this cute Christmas tree that you could make with your friends and family to make it feel even more like home during your Christmas vacation. From the second access, we are back in the living area. Here, we are perfectly connected to the dining area, which is right next to the kitchen. This designer kitchen has darker tones and beautiful granite countertops and backsplash. Other than that, it has an induction stove. The space is shared with this cozy breakfast area, and here we also find some more storage space. From the kitchen, we transit into this walk-in closet connected to the laundry room. But not just that. From here, we have access to the master bedroom. The master bedroom gets its light from this lovely skylight. Here we have a sitting area and the bed is framed by a gorgeous accent wall with floral theme. The master bedroom has its own private bathroom with shower, bathtub, and beautiful granite countertop. And it has its own private walk-in closet with safe. But we still have one bedroom to see, so follow me. Also here, we have the same wallpaper as above, which is contrasted by this yellow accent wall that gives color to the space. Here we have a closet space, a sitting area, and its own private bathroom with Turkish bath. This room is ideal if you have to host guests because it has a direct access onto the outside. We are on the lower level of the building, which is accessible both by elevator and by stairs. Here we find also another 3 smaller apartments, each with 1 bedroom, bathroom, and living area that are still in need of those finishing touches. This apartment is 131 square meters, and the first thing we see are the extensive windows on both sides of the apartment, which opens up into this spacious living area. Here we have a TV area, which is connected to a balcony. In fact, the property has 2 balconies and a terrace. The TV also in this apartment is retro-illuminated with LED lighting and has its own fireplace. Adjacent to the TV area is this lovely sitting area where you can just sit and relax with a breathtaking view over the uncontaminated nature from the window. And also from here we can access the second balcony. Connected to the sitting area is the dining area that can sit up to 8 people and from which we have access onto the terrace. This is the ideal spot to enjoy the fresh mountain air. And other than that, we have a breathtaking view over the mountains, and in particular, that is la Montagna di Santa Croce. The dining area is perfectly connected to this open plan kitchen with beautiful granite countertops and an induction stove. And apart from that, we have this cozy breakfast area where you can enjoy your morning coffee. If you'll follow me, now we're gonna go and see the bedroom area. And before I forget, here is a guest bathroom and the, as mentioned, access to the elevator. At the end of the corridor, we have the master bedroom with beautiful floral accent wall and access to private balcony. Adjacent is a smaller room that could be used as a study or a kids' room, and they both share a bathroom. We are on the 2nd floor. This apartment has an identical floor plan to the one below. It is 131 square meters and is exposed on 3 sides, so we have a lot of natural light all day long. From here we can access 3 balconies. Right beside me is this cozy TV area with accent wall and fireplace. Connected to a sitting area from which we can overlook the breathtaking view of the nature from this French window, and dining area that can sit up to 8 people, which is connected to the 3rd balcony. The Dolomites have been recognized as a World Heritage Site, and we can understand why. I mean, just look at the beauty. The dining area looks onto the open plan kitchen that has beautiful granite countertops and backsplash and induction stove. Other than that, it is illuminated with LED lighting and has a cozy breakfast area. Before we go to the bedroom area, let me tell you an interesting fact about this building. Each apartment has a secondary space in the basement, which can be used either to store your ski equipment or transformed into another independent apartment. So it's ideal if you're hosting guests to give them their full independence. And here we have the main domotic control. So you can regulate the temperature of the apartment and the alarm, and you can also control it from a distance on your smartphone. Here we have the bedroom area that has the master bedroom with access to the terrace and an adjacent smaller room that could be used as a study or a lounge area. And they both have in common this bathroom with shower. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Ciao!